Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. Okay, so first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here right hand side search button. You just open it and type the model number of your motherboard B850M force WIFI6E. Then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click open it. You can see the title of the model number name. Then click to support. And select your operating system Windows 10 11. So select any which is you are using. Installation process same. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. So LAN driver it is completed, that automatically close it and then close it.